I'm making a Berry Oaty weight loss smoothie. This one's really been formulated so that it will keep you feeling fuller for longer. And the key ingredient to that one is some oats. So I'm going to put in about a tablespoon or two of oats. They're going to regulate blood sugar levels. Together with English spinach, one of my favourite ingredients, packed full of iron and fibre, and also packed full of magnesium. Some mixed berries, doesn't matter which ones they are, they give it the sweetness. I love berries for weight management because they also give you, an energy boost and they help with cognition. To that, some almonds and then just some mixed seeds together with some almond milk and you're ready to go. About a tablespoon of mixed seeds. So you're going to blitz this for about 30 seconds. This one is really going to hit the satiety center of the brain. It's going to keep you feeling fuller and content all the way through to lunchtime.